This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling what Scratch needs: a camera source, a target sprite, and a detector sprite. Use a clear front-facing image or live webcam at 640x480 so features register reliably. Once done, add 2 sprites and name them for clarity. You will attach recognition logic to the detector. Make sure to enable camera permission in the project settings and place your ML model stub as an extension placeholder, so Scratch can call it later. Next, you implement the detection loop inside the detector sprite. Pull the camera at 10 to 15 FPS and downscale frames to reduce lag. This keeps Scratch responsive. Then run a face localization routine that returns a bounding box. Normalize those coordinates so they work across stage sizes. After that, compute a simple descriptor or landmark set and compare it to your stored reference using a distance threshold. If the value is below the threshold, you treat it as a match. To finish, connect the detector outcome to the target sprite. On a confirmed match, trigger costumes, sounds, or broadcasts, and add a short cooldown so actions aren't noisy. Save descriptors locally or via cloud variables for persistence across sessions, but encrypt or obfuscate sensitive data. If recognition is unstable, make sure lighting is even, increase the match threshold, or add a secondary check like eye distance. These steps reduce false positives and make your Scratch face recognition robust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.